They leave the trap for the John Power Jim Crack final, and forced away was Rathloose Road trap 4, but look at the run Staples Joe's got at the first bend. Electric burst of speed takes him clear down the back from Austerlitz, giving chase in trap 3 there, followed by Rathloose Road. They're down to the second last bend, and Staples Joe was very impressive in winning his semi-final. Equally so today. He's a long, long way clear from Austerlitz. They turn for home, and Staples Joe is out on his own, well clear from in second. It's Austerlitz. That's how they're going to finish. Staples Joe's won the John Powell, then from Austerlitz. At home was Rathloose Road.
And the result rings for winner trap 5-3.
And away we go then. This heat we've been looking forward to all night, and Shanless Slippy in 1, belts out of the boxes. Who's going to lead Bally's Rocket into the bend? Bally's Rocket gets a slight nudge there from trap 2 Spring Gamble as they head down the far side. There's Shanless Slippy. Bally's Rocket goes off in chase. There's a big gap back to Spring Gamble in third as they come down towards the second last bend, and it's still Shanless Slippy by this length and a half here from Bally's Rocket, who's got no more to offer as Shanless Slippy opens up on the home straight and goes away and wins this one really impressively here. Shanless Slippy wins from Bally's Rocket in second, and grabbing third was Hinch Manx. Now running for the Daily Mirror Sporting Life Greyhound Derby final for 1996. And away we go, and racing up towards the first bend, and 2 Night Trooper gets a flyer from the boxes. 3 Shanless Slippy showing great pace up. After he's got 5 Bally's Rocket, slightly checked there, and then comes 6 Ever Loving Eddie. After he's got 4 Checkpoint Charlie and 1 Bebop Alola. Down that back straight, and Shanless Slippy a search. He's gone 2 lengths clear from Night Trooper. Bally's Rocket checked again at the third bend as they come round the final bend, and there's Shanless Slippy. He's 2 clear. What a greyhound this fellow is. He's stamping authority all over this race. Great race, great victory. Shanless Slippy the name, winning the 1996 Daily Mirror Sporting Life Greyhound Derby final. What a unique greyhound this fellow is. He does it from the front. He can really stay on well, and success there going to owner Frank Maguire and trainer Dolores Ruth. They're off and racing up towards the first bend. Night Trooper out like a flash on the far side there. The Night Trooper leads Some Picture and Quick Tune. After we've got racing in third, trap 3. Gets a bit of a bump there. Long Valley Rebel heading down the far side. Night Trooper, but look at the pace of Some Picture. Oh, he's on the bunny all right. He's flown past Night Trooper as though it's standing still. So Some Picture goes 3 or 4 lengths clear from Night Trooper in second. After he's got racing in third. Listen to this as they come off the final bend. It's all about Some Picture. What a marvellous race. Some Picture wins the Select Stakes for 1996. In the end, it was Quick Tune who come from a different county to grab second after early trouble, and back in third, close between Night Trooper and Listen to This. All in then, started checking them over, just had a quick glance there at key nose. A couple of them did look a bit nervous on the parade, notably Annie's Bullet. We're expecting the 2 bitches to lead. Stowe's Bell in 3, Annie's Bullet in 5. Can they dominate the race from the front, or will the favourite Some Picture, or He Knows, pick them up to the outside of Charpay? Then here's Andy. Away we go then for the Greyhound Derby final, and racing up towards the first bend. And 5 Annie's Bullet is away fast, but not as fast as Stowe's Bell. Look where Some Picture is already as they go around the second bend, and Some Picture takes up the lead here. He's going clear from Stowe's Bell in second. The rest are nowhere as they come down towards the second last bend. Is Some Picture going clear for victory? He's got 4 lengths clear from Stowe's they go, and racing up towards the first bend and fast away here is 6 Tom's the Best, along with 3 Vintage Prince. Some pictures miss the kick to go into the first bend, and there's a bit of trouble there. Some picture hampers trap 4 Spiral Nikita, and they're right at the back of the pack. Up the final bend now as they go towards it. 3 Vintage Princes out in front, but Tom's the Best all the time. Surely it's a matter of time before Nick Savage, powerful Tom's the Best, takes up the lead, goes for the inside as Tom's the Best. Vintage Prince is trying to hang on, but here comes Tom's the Best, gains the day. Tom's the Best is the winner of the Island on Sunday Irish Greyhound Derby final, beating Vintage Prince. Right to Apply was back in third, Joker's Run 4th, Spiral Nikita 5th, and Some Picture finished in third. We're off for the Respond Irish Derby final. Ask Claire in 4 gets a cracking break with Ardfert Mick in 1. One who's missed the break is 3 Colebrook Tiger as they go around that first bend. It's Ardfert Mick. Oh, there's terrible trouble there for Colebrook Tiger. Racing down the far side. Ardfert Mick is leading from Ask Claire in second. Moving up on the inside is Super Gem. 6 Follow Melody still hanging on there. And then can 5 Lions Mount as they come off the final bend. And it's Ardfert Mick. It's all Ardfert Mick. Surely he won't be caught from here. He's 2 lengths clear from Ask Claire. Then comes Super Gem. Ardfert Mick. What a great victory there for Ardfert Mick. Ask Claire back in second. Super Gem in third.